You're looking at a 2021 Chevy Equinox all-wheel drive LS. It's a one-owner crossover with remaining factory warranty. There are no accidents recorded on a history report. It runs and drives smooth and quiet. The interior and exterior are very clean. The tires are 17-inch and they are in good shape. It has a 1.5-liter turbo 4-cylinder, 6-speed automatic transmission. Features include LS package, Chevy Safety Assist, automatic emergency braking, front pedestrian braking, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, forward collision alert, teen driver mode, 7-inch touchscreen infotainment with Bluetooth, OnStar services and 4G Wi-Fi capable, rear view camera, 6-speaker audio, cruise control with tilt wheel, air conditioning, power windows and locks, power adjustable heated outside mirrors, keyless entry. If you want a safe, reliable, fuel-efficient, all-wheel drive SUV that can handle every Montana season, put this on your list to come see it. For more information about this vehicle, or to see our large selection of quality vehicles, go to carfactorymt.com. You can buy with confidence at the Car Factory. We are Montana family-owned and operated for over 2 decades. And our great reviews on Google show that people love doing business with us. Stop by today. 4562 State Ave, Billings, Montana.